How to fix your iPhone has no sound? Make sure the silent mode is turned off. Most of the time your iPhone doesn't have sound because the silent mode is turned on. To turn off the silent mode, locate the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone and switch it off. If you see the red strip, that means the silent mode is turned on. Check the iPhone sound. If you didn't already, check the volume. Play a song on your iPhone and press the volume up and down buttons, or slide across the volume bar in the control center. Disable the Do Not Disturb mode. Go to the control center. If the crescent moon button is blue with a white background, that means the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Tap on it to turn it off. Turn off Bluetooth. Go to the control center and tap on the Bluetooth button to turn it off. Test your iPhone speakers. Open the Settings app. Go to Sound and Haptic Settings. Under Ringer and Alerts, drag the slider and make sure you hear the sound. Check if your iPhone is not stuck in the headphones mode. This is rare, but sometimes your iPhone can get stuck in the headphones mode when your headphones are not connected. If you see the headphones icon, go to our guide linked in the video description below to learn more. Restart your iPhone. Turn off the iPhone. Wait for a minute and turn it on. Reset all settings. Go to the iPhone Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Update iOS. Go to iPhone Settings. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Wait for your iPhone to find an update and tap on Download and Install. Clean the iPhone speakers. If nothing helped and the sound didn't appear, your speakers might be blocked by dirt. We don't recommend cleaning the speakers yourself unless you know what you're doing. Otherwise, you can damage them. Take your iPhone to an Apple store or an authorized service for a professional clean. If the sound won't come out only when using an app, go to the iPhone Settings app. Go to Notification Settings. Select the app you want to turn on the sound for. Toggle the switch to enable sound. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.